Hi everybody, it's Lori. Today I'm going to be making some lettuce wrapped burgers. I know I made them once before. I'm going to make them a little different now, a little bit more barbecued, a little more grilled. They're just such a good meal and not very expensive. I got these grass-fed burgers. They were about 12 bucks for the four of them, so that's $3 a burger. There's 26 grams of protein in each burger. So let's go make them today. And I've already heated up my grill pan. We're going to add some cheese to them at the end, so that'll add a little bit more protein. So you have to figure almost 30 grams of protein per burger. A little bit big for my pan here, but they will shrink a little bit. I don't have to do too much in the seasoning. Basically, I'm just going to use some steak seasoning. Because when these are almost finished, I'm going to add some Ray's sugar-free, or no sugar added, I should say, barbecue sauce, which is 2 tablespoons, is only 15 calories, which isn't much at all. So we'll add that in a little bit and put the cover on them. I'll cook each side about 4 minutes or so. I like my burgers a little bit more to the medium side. Along with them, I'm going to make some steamed asparagus. We'll put that in the microwave, start getting that ready. I have several different kinds of microwave steamers. Plenty of them available. They all basically work the same way. They're all pretty much about 3 to 4 minutes depending on the vegetable. This one, since they're so thin, will be a little bit less. I'll put it on for 3 minutes, and pretty much it takes almost a minute for the water to boil and steam, and then the other 3 or 4 minutes to actually do the steaming. If it was something a little bit thicker like cauliflower, I would do the full 4 minutes and then leave it in there another minute because it does continue to steam. And that's basically how the microwave steamers work. I'm just gonna give this time to flip it, and then I'll start to put the barbecue sauce on it. Then I have some tomatoes that I thinly sliced up. I personally like mine thin. It just makes you can put 2 on, it just makes it a little bit less messy, especially on the lettuce, because they do tend to get a little bit messy because the bread usually does absorb some of the juice of the burger, and you don't have that. It's just lettuce. So let's see if these are ready to give them a turn. I might have to flip them a couple times, but they did shrink down a little bit, so now that at least they fit in the pan. I'll probably have to flip them over yet one more time. I kind of like these in a grill pan because then the fat kind of drips away in. It's not really cooking in it like a regular saute pan, frying pan. Plus it does give it some grill marks. I could have left it a little bit longer, but I am going to flip it one more time. And when I do that, then I'll add the barbecue sauce because I don't want that to get too burnt or overpower the taste, because these are really good burgers. I try to get grass-fed because they're a little bit healthier, a little bit lower fat. So there's a store by me that carries mainly all grass-fed called Sprouts. I don't know if they're nationwide, but even Publix carries some grass-fed, which is our local grocery store. So I'm sure your local grocery store carries some grass-fed. I don't know if they're actually in the burgers or not, but they also do carry grass-fed steaks. So shop around, they do carry it, or just get regular. It's, like I said, everything is, just don't overeat things with too much fat. I try not to eat too much beef. Try not to have it more than 3 times a month. Lately it's been just a little bit more, only because St. Patrick's Day wasn't too far away, and we did have some corned beef along with the normal beef that we do have. But that's it. So my vegetables are done. I don't want them to get too overcooked, so I'll take the cover off of them. And these are ready to flip, since I am going to flip them yet one more time, and I will put the sauce on them now. Pastry brush. Again, just for a little bit different taste. They're good without the barbecue sauce, but again, I don't want to eat $30, $40 meals for 2 every single day, because that does add up. Just another minute, flip it, put a little more sauce on it. And as always, I will put the finished product as the thumbnail. And I hope that you have a good, healthy dinner. And I do eat beef once in a while. Everything moderately amount. So that's the end of the video. Have a good day.